Women claim that wearing makeup enhances already existing beauty, and makes them feel confident about themselves. Well, makeup does enhance beauty as perceived by both men and women, evidenced by overall positive evaluations. Women with makeup are perceived to be more popular, organized, confident, poised, interesting, sociable, secure, physically attractive, feminine, tidier, cleaner, professional, and financially healthier. So much so that average-looking women with professional makeup done are rated to be sexier and more feminine. There are differences in attractiveness perceptions based on the level of makeup done. For instance, eye makeup alone yields high levels of perceived attractiveness compared to foundation makeup alone, while foundation makeup alone is perceived to be more attractive than lip makeup alone. Considering that sexier and more provocative clothes are used by women around their ovulation days to enhance attractiveness, makeup could also be used to serve the same purpose. Near ovulation, women use all approaches to modify their appearances towards raising their sexiness. The pressure to be more attractive is perceived to be greater near ovulation. Human females are more interested in males and think more about sex in the follicular phase. Women are more likely to have sexual fantasies with men who are not their partner in their most fertile phase, with more makeup during the fertile phase being more likely to be a sign of sexual signaling. Women are more likely to attract, and subsequently choose a high-quality mate when they're surrounded by a wide array of options compared to a smaller selection. In relation to clothing, waitresses wearing makeup and revealing clothing receive higher tips than their counterparts without makeup. Female confederates with makeup receive more solicitations from male revelers and report a shorter latency between arrival at the bar and initial solicitation.